Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we learn how to make a penguin in very simple and easy steps. To start with it, we require a paper, pencil, marker and our oil pastels. So let's start. Before we start, I want you all to just subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. To start with it, on the whole page, what we will do is, we will just create an opposite U. The first step is to make an opposite U. So we'll make a shape of an opposite U like this. After that, what we'll do is, we will extend this line a little. So I'm just extending this line. Now the next step is to make a shape over here for his body, and we'll join it. Then what we have to do is we have to make a stomach. So we'll make again a round shape, not exactly a round shape but something like that, a curvy shape. So the basic structure is ready, but it's not looking like a penguin right now. So what we'll do is, we will make some beak. And an eye. So we'll make a circle and we'll make the hands. Very simple till now. And we'll make two legs of the penguin. One and the second, as if the penguin is moving a little. So the basic drawing of penguin is done. It's very simple to do. Now what we'll do is, we'll create the background around. So to make a background, first we'll make a demarcation line. Like this can be water, and penguins are there in the cooler areas where there is a lot of ice. So we will make that. We are making some mountains and some snow peaks. We can also make some sun if we wish to. And our basic drawing is done. Now what we will do is, we'll fill the colors with the oil pastels. The basic color in the penguin is black and white, you all know, and a little bit of yellow color. So we'll be doing 3 colors, black, white and yellow, for the beak and the legs. We'll start with the black color. I know I always tell you to do the black color in the end, but here the basic drawing of the penguin is black, so we have to do the black color. And when you do the black color, make sure you don't put your hands over there, otherwise you'll tend to spoil the whole painting. Be careful, the color should not move out. And don't leave any white space. For his beak, we'll use the yellow color. Or we can even use a little bit of mustard color. We'll use yellow color only. Now, for this area, we'll fill the white color. You can also leave a little bit, but let's fill it with the white color. So it gives a beautiful effect when we fill the color. Now for the snow-filled peaks, what we'll do is, we'll use white and a pinch of blue color in it. So to give the depth, I'm using blue and we'll use white. Make sure you don't spoil the black color, okay? Here I am using the brown color for the rest of the mountain. For the sun, we'll use the yellow color. For the sky, I'm using just one single blue color. Now for the water again, we'll use light blue and little bit shades of dark blue color. And I will mix it with the light color. And again, this is the snow, so we will use the same combination, light blue and white. And a simple drawing is ready. I'll just remove the tape and show you how it is looking. One basic tip, that you don't have to put your hand on the black area, otherwise you will tend to spoil it. So don't touch the black area. And you don't have to put your hand like this on the black area. Don't do that. And our simple penguin is ready. I hope you all enjoyed making it. Do color it neatly, nicely, and make sure the color is not spoiled, okay? And the color does not move out of the desired area. I hope you all enjoyed making it. Do subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. And of course, do press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.